Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the weighted pillow from Quiet Mind.
We all know weighted blankets and how comforting they are, but this weighted pillow is just such a game changer. It really helps give you that gentle pressure and that deep relaxation. It is soft and squishy and huggable. I have the medium, which is the 9 pound, and it's so unique because it not only gives you that pressure and feeling of being hugged, but the fact that you can squeeze it gives you that endorphin high of hugging someone yourself. It has this great removable, washable cover, and it is just so comforting. I love to be able to take a nap with it, sit with it. That way I can get my work done because it really helps just relax my mind. I got this pillow and I was fighting people for it. Everyone wanted a turn with the heavy pillow in my house. And I really just appreciate all of the care and attention that has gone into creating this really unique product. If you're somebody who is looking for something different, but to still give you that nice heavy weight, this is definitely something you need.
I really think this is such a unique product, and if you have been debating getting one, you absolutely should do it. I could not recommend this pillow more highly, and that's my point of view.